Hey everyone! Today I want to show you how to make pita bread. It goes great with shawarma, jelly, or just with a cup of milk. 1/3 of cup warm water, 1.5 tablespoon of sugar, tablespoon of yeast. Mix it all together. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. Just mix it all together until the yeast get dissolved. Now we add the flour, 4 cups of flour. Mine took 4 cups, so it depends on the flour. So sometimes more, sometimes less. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Just keep mixing it with this wooden spoon or with your hands, doesn't matter. Drizzle some olive oil on the counter. See what I'm doing? Just so the dough doesn't stick. Fold it all together. Just dump it on the counter and do the work. Drizzle some oil, like 1 teaspoon of olive oil on top, and just start the work. Just give it a few punches for a minute, Okay, don't worry about it sticking in your hands or fingers or on the counter. Everything comes off. Just make sure, fold it all together. The dough is gonna be a little bit sticky, so just handle it. See how I'm folding it? I'm showing it to you step by step. See, I have some dough on my fingers. See, any extra oil on the counter, just use it, don't waste it. It's olive oil. So bring the bowl, just drizzle some olive oil, spread it so the dough doesn't stick when it rises a little. It will be very nice dough. See how I'm handling it? Very soft. Drizzle some olive oil and rub it all over. See the way I'm doing it? Now cover it and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes to rise in warm area. Look at this, how beautiful it is, so fluffy. Now it's ready to make it into balls, so you spread some flour. Be generous so the dough doesn't stick on the counter and it can be easy for you to handle it. Spread some flour on top and just roll it like this and make it into a log. Now you're gonna cut it in too many pieces, whatever. For me, I did it into 6 pieces. For you, you can cut it in 8, 10 pieces. You can, whatever. Mine is a little bit big. See how I'm folding it between my palms? It's very easy. It's not big deal. Later you can fix it. Just keep applying the flour on top and just fold it like I said in the beginning. I'm at the last one. Now just spread some flowers on top and cover it with the cloth, clean cloth. Give it 5 minutes just for the dough to relax, for you to spread it, easy for you to spread it. See how I'm doing it? Don't forget about the flour, just keep spreading. And don't press too hard. See how? I'm not pressing. It seems that I'm pressing too hard, but it's not. Don't make it too skinny and don't make it too thick. just right. See how? Make sure, spread again the flour, and just, you don't have to make it perfect. Flour, see how it is? Not thick, not skinny, just right. And when it rises, it comes a little bit fluffy for you to handle it. See how? You're gonna cover it and leave it for 30 minutes to rise, and prepare the skillet. When it gets hot, it's medium high, and just follow the way I'm doing it. Just put it on the skillet and give it like, don't let it cook from the bottom. See how it is? It's still raw, but that's how the trick, it gets fluffy for you. It gets like a balloon. See what I'm doing? You just press on the sides. I'm gonna flip it again. Don't let it cook. See how? It gets a little bit brown, but not too much. That's how the trick for the bread to get fluffy. See, I'm gonna flip it. Now it's getting bigger and bigger. See how? But don't get discouraged. Sometimes it doesn't work much because the dough get a hole or tears on the sides, so it breathes. Once the bread breathes, it stops going up. So make sure when you spread it like I did before, don't make it too skinny. That's why I said don't make it too skinny. I'm trying to cook it on the sides. See how? I'm flipping it back and forth. See, I'm pressing a little. Don't get scared or something is gonna destroy or something. No, once it gets blow up like that, don't worry. Just try to cook it on the sides. See how? It's nice, very nice. And just keep doing, finish the rest. Doing the same thing what you're doing now. See how it looks? Looks like pocket, pita pocket. That's why they call it pita pocket. See, check my video how I made the chicken shawarma. You can fill up with anything. I have some jelly ready. Come on, hurry up! I want some jelly!